Okay, so first what we need to do is we need to take out our wool. Okay, so if you don't have wool and you are using the thin rope, then you can take out your thin rope. Thin rope like this. You can use this thin rope instead of wool, but if you have wool, then you can just use the wool. We will first see how to make the orb with wool. Okay, so how much wool we need? You need to just take out this, and I will tell you. You don't need to make the orb out of this whole bunch. We need half of this. Okay, so I'll just take out this. Don't let it tie upon each other. You can just make it like this. You can round it in your fingers. So look, I have taken this much. Others, can you hear properly my voice?
Yes, ma'am, your voice is coming.
Okay, so now I will take this much. From this bunch I have taken this much. You can see. Okay, I have taken this much. Now I will keep it aside and we will inflate our balloons. So you don't need to inflate two balloons now. Only one balloon you can inflate. I am inflating this balloon. You can take balloon of any color. It doesn't matter. So this much size. I am inflating it up to this size. Okay, not very big or not very small, medium. Now from here you need to tie your, if you know how to tie the balloon like this, you can just tie it. But if you don't know how to tie it from here with hands, you can just use a rubber band. Okay, simple a rubber band you can use to tie it from here. Okay, after tying your balloon, what you need to do is you need to just keep it here. Don't let. Yes, now it is okay. Yes, it is okay. You just keep it aside, your balloon, after tying. Now what you need to do is you need to take a bowl. You need to take a bowl like this and you need to pour out some water. Don't use too much of water. Okay. Yes, we want to mix glue and water, but remember you need to add less water and more amount of glue. And more amount of glue. So just open your glue, and you don't need to use that any kind of yellow glue or any kind of other glue. You need this Fevicol or white glue for this, making this orb. Please mute your mic. Okay, so I am adding glue to the water now. I am adding glue to the water now, you can see. If you add less glue, then your wool won't stick.
And it's perfect.
How much glue have you added? More than half?
No, ma'am, more.
Water mixture's consistency should be like this. So I have kept rough papers.
Can you wipe it only, please?
Okay. Now if you want to make a lamp, if you want to insert, yes,
Ma'am, we need this consistency.
yes, you need not very watery, a little thick. Okay, so now I was telling that if you want to make a lamp or if you want to insert a light after making it, so what you have to do for that is you need to take any kind of circular thing, like I have used this sellotape at the front of the balloon. I'll just make a circle here like this. You can see. So if you are not making a lamp, or you can skip this step, you don't need to make any circle if you are making a simple orb. Okay, so now what you need to do is, after doing this, you can keep your balloon aside, take your wool and your mixture, your glue mixture, and now what you need to do is take this wool and drop it in your glue mixture. Make sure that the wool covers the whole glue mixture properly. The part where you have tied, okay, from the bottom part of your balloon we will start tying this wool. So you need to find the end of your wool first. This, from this part I will just tie it here. I'll make a knot here.
Ma'am, can you please wait 1 minute?
Okay, I'm waiting. I'll also upload this video on YouTube. So if you're not doing now, you can just do it later. Can you tell once more? Your voice is breaking.
Ma'am, same method only we have to take the white color thin wires, no?
Yes. If you are using white color thin rope, then you have to do it with the same method. Yes. Yes, now you need to stick your wool onto the balloon. First you need to tie your wool here on the knot of the balloon, okay? Just take the wool and tie it here on this part. After you have tied it, then you can just wrap it around the balloon. You can just wrap your wool around the balloon as you want. But what you need to remember here is, don't wrap the wool on this circle part. On the bottom circle we have made on the balloon, you don't need to wrap the wool there. Yes. उसके बाद जो लंबा वाला जो है, जो आपका पूरा से बंच है, उस वो वाला जो वुल है, उसे लेके ऐसे पूरे बैलून में लपेटना है. ओके, ऐसे कर करके लपेटना।
कैसा
हाँ हाँ
नीचे कैसा
हाँ हाँ, उल्टा सीधा कैसा भी। यस।
अरे मैं मतलब होएगा
हाँ, वो सूखने के बाद स्टिक हो जाएगा, बस ध्यान से लपेटते जाओ। यस। फिसल रहा है तो एक काम कर सकती हो, थोड़ा सा ग्लू लेके अपने बैलून के ऊपर ऐसे 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 हाथ से करके लगा लो। ओके, और फिर करो। सो इफ I want to say that if your wool is slipping on the balloon, okay, if your wool doesn't attach on the balloon, what you need to do is take some concentrated glue like this, and you can just apply it on your balloon. Concentrated glue, okay, you can take some concentrated glue and you can just apply it on your balloon like this. So slowly we want to just cover the whole balloon like this. You need to make a net like structure, okay, you need to leave some gaps in between, don't cover it fully with the wool, you need to make a net like structure. Just let it dry. Okay, now after your balloon is completed, if you see that in your balloon some parts are loose, like in mine this one is loose, then you can just take a little glue in your hands and you can just apply it over there if any part is loose in your balloon. So here I have completed my balloon. I am keeping it over a bowl. You can just keep it, okay, over a bowl you can just keep it like this, and you just let it dry fully for I think 12 hours it needs to dry. So tomorrow when it will dry, tomorrow we will do the next process. We will cut out the balloon from inside, we will apply glitter, and if you want to apply any kind of flowers, make any kind of craft, we will do that tomorrow. So one of the orb is complete. Tomorrow we will apply glitter over it and we will take out the balloon.